you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So I'm going to be planning some colors I bought from a company named UCANBE. And the name of the palette is Abstraction. I already primed my one eye off camera using my primer. This primer I bought from Amazon. I will be putting this in the description box below. I'm going into this color, this shade here. And by the way, this palette has 72 shades in it. This color here, it looks like a red. I'm gonna go into this one here to see if it'll darken it up a little bit. This is how it's looking when I added the black in and I blended it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and I'll be right to add my NYX glitter primer. Because in this palette I see this glitter that I want to try. I don't know if you can see it. Let me. Like it's real pretty. I don't know if you can really see it. The light is like real bright on it. I'm just gonna add the glitter primer on a little bit at a time. And I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. brush and just dip it into the glitter. So I did the other eye off camera, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add this pink shade here. I'm gonna add that pink shade under my waterline. Okay, so I already primed my face using my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So now I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. foundation. Okay, so I'm going to use my espresso concealer to highlight. I'm not going to use a lot. I really didn't use that much foundation. Okay, so I did my contour using my Black Radiance foundation stick. And I let my highlight set off camera. So what I'm going to do is blend it out. I'm going to set my highlight using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So I use my mineral powder to set my contour. And now I'm gonna use my Black Radiance blush in the shade Brick House. So for my blush again is the Hyper Real Glow by MAC. I'll be having so much to talk about, but I'm still shy. Like, I don't know why, but yeah. It's like once I get out of the shyness, then yeah, I'll start talking a lot more. I'll be having a lot that I want to talk about. I just don't say anything. I'm gonna add my mascara on before I add on my lashes. Okay, so I put my lashes on off camera. I don't know why this one is not acting right, but yeah, I put them on off camera and also line my lips with my favorite lip liner. And I'm gonna go into my L'Oreal matte lipstick in the shade Milk and Cookies 364. I mean, it's the same routine that I've been doing for a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna mist my face with the mattifying spray. So this is the finished look. Really don't have too much to say just as of yet about this palette, because I haven't tried all of the colors out. I will say that it blends very well. The colors that I added in, it blends very, very well. I like the pressed glitter. I don't have anything bad to say about the palette because I haven't tried all of the colors, so I really can't say like, oh, I don't like it. I'm really feeling this look. I can't say that. If you're interested in buying this palette or any other products from their website, I will put the link in the description box below. And also, you can also use my discount code Lovely Lacole for 10% off on your first purchase. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.